It's summertime, and if you're a business owner, you know how important it is to keep your team happy without burning through your budget. Today, I'm breaking down how you can use tax benefits to boost your employee perks and actually save money doing it. So, first tip, consider offering tax-free commuter benefits. The IRS lets you give employees up to $315 a month for transit and parking, completely tax-free. That means your team saves on their commute and you save on payroll taxes. Second, don't forget about dependent care assistance. You can provide up to $5,000 per year per employee to help with summer camps or childcare, and it's exempt from federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. Your employees get real help managing their work-life balance, and you get a tax break. And here's a summer-specific one-company picnics or outings. The cost of these events is typically 100% deductible as a business expense, as long as they're open to all employees. So treat your team, build morale, and get a tax write-off. Win-win. Last, look into health and wellness benefits. Things like employee assistance programs or gym memberships can be partly deductible, while boosting productivity and happiness. The bottom line? Smart use of tax-advantaged benefits means happier employees, stronger retention, and more money back in your pocket. Check with your accountant to make sure you're following the latest IRS rules, but don't wait until December to take action. Use the summer to make your team feel valued and your business more profitable. Like and subscribe for more business tips you can actually use.